Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. It's Crizjan T.G and Family Vlogs. Today we're gonna make chicken macaroni salad. These are the ingredients: boiled macaroni, mayonnaise, sliced ham, shredded chicken, condensed milk, crushed pineapple, grated cheese, sliced carrots, sliced onions, raisins, pepper, and salt. But first, I'm gonna get some gloves. And now we can make gloves. So, let's go! Put the mayonnaise in the macaroni. And mix. Put the ham. And the chicken. Oh. Natapon. No. Next, we're gonna pour half of the condensed milk because it may be too sweet or not. We may not know. Next, we're gonna put the onion. And the crushed pineapple, the grated cheese, the sliced carrots, the raisins, the pepper, and then the salt. And then we mix. Yummy. You know why I wanted to make this? It's because when I tasted this in the party, it was so delicious. That's why I wanted to make this. Plus, it is almost Christmas. And this is our final product. We're done. Now I'm gonna taste my final product. Delicious. Yummy. Thanks for watching the video.